Hello guys, I'm back with my videos. Here's my video about dual light effects. Have an image with black background for a good result and advise to use a grayscale for better output. Select the image, create a new layer, mask it, and select the selection, create a layer, make sure the option to be in soft light. Take a brush, apply the color you wanted for the effect on the left and right. I'm trying to use red with blue combination and you're the effect which you are looking for. Merge the layer with background to use it in your creatives. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video.